Hello! Today we will look at two of the easiest ways to install Kali Linux on a flash drive. We will not use the terminal. We will use only the window interface familiar to Windows users. The first part provides the necessary background to fully understand our practical steps to install the operating system and run the Kali Linux Live USB drive. You'll find USB drive requirements, the algorithm for adding persistent to a Kali Linux Live USB drive, and other useful information. It is highly recommended to review the material on your own. But we are moving on to practice. The first installation method consists of a few simple steps. You need to download the Live Boot Kali Linux ISO file from the official website, install Win32 disk imager and Minitool partition wizard. Downloading. OK. Insert USB flash drive, flash drive J, and now create Kali Linux bootable flash drive with Win32 disk imager and ISO file Live Boot Kali Linux. Kali Linux is installed, but the problem is that when you restart the operating system, your saved data and any changes and configurations in Kali Linux will be deleted. Kali Linux Live USB persistence is the solution. Now your Kali Linux will work from USB without losing saved data, configurations, installed programs or any changes. To add persistence to a Kali Linux Live USB drive, we use the entire empty area of the flash drive. It is important that the new partition has label named persistence and is formatted as ext4 or ext3. In order to finish our work, let's run the Kali Linux we just installed on the flash drive. Our empty disk with the persistence label is not yet connected to the system. In the Linux language, this can be set not mounted. To do this, we create on our empty disk with the persistence label the file persistence.conf with one line /union space before union and reboot the system. Everything needs to be done with the root privileges. Checking. Everything is okay. Rebooting. After reboot, the disk labeled persistence is gone. This means that we have succeeded. But let's check again. Let's create a file on the desktop. It should persist after reboot. The file is in place, so everything is working. Don't forget to like and subscribe. The second installation method consists of just one step. We need one free program, Rufus. Download. Install. Run. Load in the image. Choose our flash drive. Be sure to move the persistent partition size slider to set the size of the persistence partition. We strongly recommend it to use the entire empty area of the flash drive. Click Start and wait for the work to finish. All done, Kali Linux installed. Persistence added. You can check the possibility of saving data in exactly the same way as we have already done. Create a file on the desktop, reboot the system. If the file remains, then everything works. Amazing! Let's like and subscribe. Goodbye. See you soon.